Samsung is preparing to introduce the Galaxy Z Flip 7, and this time, the upgrades look more exciting than ever. One of the biggest changes is the cover display, which is set to be significantly larger than before. A recent leak from a well-known industry insider suggests that Samsung has opted for a 4.05-inch outer screen, making it the largest cover display ever seen on a flip phone. This is a notable jump from the 3.4-inch display on the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and even surpasses the Motorola Razr 50 Ultra, which previously held the record for the biggest external screen in this category. The increased size is expected to make the device far more practical, allowing users to perform a variety of tasks without unfolding the phone as often. According to Ross Young, a respected display analyst, this larger screen represents a major shift in Samsung's design approach. Early leaks had suggested that the Flip 7 would closely resemble its predecessor, but the latest information indicates a significant redesign. The new cover display seemed to extend across most of the phone's front panel, blending seamlessly around the camera modules. This change could provide a much improved user experience, making it easier to check notifications, send messages, and even run apps without needing to unfold the device. For those who prefer a flip phone's compact form but still want maximum functionality, this update could be a game changer. Apart from the display, Samsung appears to be making important upgrades under the hood as well. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 processor, promising faster performance and improved energy efficiency. This means smoother multitasking, better gaming performance, and overall improved responsiveness. Additionally, battery life is getting a significant boost. Reports suggest that Samsung is increasing the battery capacity to 4,300 mAh, a noticeable jump from the 3,700 mAh battery found in the previous model. With a larger external screen, the phone will likely consume more power, so this upgrade could help maintain long-lasting usage without frequent recharging. Camera performance is another area that many users are eager to see improved. While Samsung has yet to confirm any major hardware upgrades, advancements in image processing could still enhance photography and video quality. The Galaxy Z Flip series has traditionally featured a dual-camera setup, and while it remains unclear if this will change, software improvements could still bring noticeable differences in how photos and videos turn out. Durability is another key aspect that Samsung is likely to focus on. Foldable phones have come a long way, and Samsung has consistently worked on refining hinge mechanisms to improve longevity. It will be interesting to see if the Flip 7 introduces any new durability enhancements that make the device more resistant to wear and tear over time. With all these expected improvements, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 could be Samsung's best flip phone yet. It appears to be taking direct aim at its competition, particularly the Motorola Razr 50 Ultra, by offering a more refined design and better functionality. Samsung has long been a leader in the foldable smartphone market, and this latest model could help strengthen its position even further. The official launch is anticipated to happen in July, likely alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 7. As the release date approaches, more leaks and details about additional features, software enhancements, and pricing are expected to surface. If the rumored improvements turn out to be accurate, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 could be one of the most compelling foldable phones to date. If you enjoyed this update, make sure to subscribe for more tech news and insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.